So after spending 7 weeks going around Europe, seeing all of the beautiful cities, meeting people from all over the world, lots of partying and lots of drinking. It does feel good to come back to Bristol and spend some time in nature, man. The bustle of the city can be enticing. All the bright colours, the noises, it can be exciting. You can also get caught up in it. So places like this are quite special. It seems like someone's had a fire here. Not a bad spot, really. I'll have to come back and do that at some point. Places like this always remind me of my childhood. Building tree houses, climbing trees, pretending to be in the army, running around. And as I got a little bit older, going for a smoke with the boys or whatever. There truly is nothing like it. I really do think areas like this really appeal to that deeper side of us, the side that wants to be free and unrestrained and just revel in the glory of this planet. And it is really nice to be back here. Not been back here in years, since I moved out with my parents deeper into the city. It is just incredibly beautiful here. So what initially was going to be a 15-minute walk has turned it into a rather long one. I don't even plan on turning back yet. All about that nature. Sounds like some other people are having some fun. Always laugh when I see this little pond. I used to have a Springer Spaniel once upon a time. Used to bring him down here and you could not get him out of this water. Not the cleanest, but still pretty cool, eh? Had a lot of fun in these fields as a ute. So these trees are really cool, man, because they never lose their leaves no matter time of year. So they're always looking groovy. So I'm currently stood on this rock in the middle of these 5 trees, as you can see. Probably some ancient worship inside, or maybe even sacrificial. So I've made a bit of a different video for once. Usually it's a montage of travelling antics with some groovy music. So I hope you guys like the change. Stay groovy, love one another, and subscribe if you like the vibe, man. Peace.